From all over the nation and around the world, students have traveled here to Atlanta, Georgia, to the Ron Clark Academy for our National Amazing Shake competition. Here, they will be tested on their soft skills, poise, charisma, and composure under pressure. The students that will be here today will be tested through various different challenges and pushed through their limits, through such challenges as the Worker Room Challenge, or the Circle of Doom, the First Impression Station, and the Debate for Your Life Dilemma. At the end of this weekend, only one student will be crowned as our National Amazing Shake Champion. Who will it be? Only time will tell. Buckle up, everybody. It's about to be a fun ride. This is the Amazing Shake.